Today I'll be talking about dementia. So it's basically a neurodegenerative progressive disease of the brain where the brain cells die, there is damage to the nerve cells, and the connectivity between the two cells is lost. So there is the electric signal between the two is blocked, and because of which there is memory loss. Now it's basically there's a decline in cognition leading to memory loss, problems with thinking, problems with language, and this can give rise to applying difficulty in applying logic, decision making. He is not oriented with the surrounding, he is not connected to the surrounding environment. This leads to anxiety, irritability, and personality changes. So basically, who are the people who are more vulnerable to dementia? It's age related. After the age of 65, and people who have neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, or if you've had diseases related to your circulatory or vascular system, say a stroke or circulatory errors, high blood pressure, then also you're more vulnerable to it. And very important here is diseases where there is protein deposits in the cells, the Lewy bodies where they are found. And now the secondary causes could be alcoholism and also infections of the brain, the encephalitis, the meningitis, and not to forget the trauma or injury caused to the brain. Now, what are the symptoms? As we already told, it's basically related to poor recognition. Patient is not able to remember things, not able to find the perfect word. He can get lost in the streets. He doesn't understand what to say because there's no connectivity between the thoughts. And it's very important that we treat this disease. There's no perfect cure for dementia. So we have to basically treat the underlying diseases which can lead to dementia. There are medicines which can help to stop the progression of the ailment, and very important is therapies. Keep the patient active with various physical activities as well as puzzle solving, and promote social connectivity. They are surrounded well by people so that the mind remains active. So this is all about dementia.